For homework 6-2, we are finding the unknown side length. So the first thing we need to remember is that the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width equals area. So if I look at this first square, looks like the area is 60 square meters. So 60 is equal to length, I do not know, so I'm going to put the S times the width of 2 meters. So 60 is equal to 2 times S, or you could also have 2 times S equals 60. Then I need to think what times 2 equals 60, or how many times can 2 go into 60? I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. So if I have 1 0 in the product, then I need to have 1 0 in the factors. So my answer is 30 meters. 30 times 2 equals 60. Number 2. My whole area is 420 square meters. So 420 is equal to length of T times the width of 6 meters. 6. 420 equals T times 6, or you could also have 6 times T, or T times 6 equals 420. So now I need to be thinking of the original fact, 6 times what would be equal to 42? If I think of my multiples of 6, I know 6 times 6 is 36, so therefore 6 times 7 would be 42. I don't have any zeros in my factor so far, but 1 in my product, so I need to add 1 to this factor. 70 meters would be my length. Here we go. So area is equal to length times width. So length times width equals area. 6 times something equals 18. I know 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, so 6 times 3 is 18. Something times 8 is 56. I know that 8 times 5 would be 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 must be 56. 9 times 5 equals 45 square yards. And something times 9 equals 90. I know that something has to be 10. A store is a rectangular shape with an area of 2,700 or 2,700 square feet. It has a length of 90 feet. How wide is it? So I'm going to do 90 times W is equal to 2,700, or 2,700 equals W times 90. I need to think 9 times something gives me 27. Well, I know that 9 times something is 3. I already have 1 0 in this factor. I need 2 in the product. I'm going to have to add 1 0. So now I'd have 90 times 30 equals 2,700. Yep, that answer is correct. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 1 0 minus no zeros leaves me with 1 0. 3,600 divided by 6, I need to do 36 divided by 6 is 6, and there's 2 zeros, minus no zeros leaves me with 2 zeros. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 2 zeros minus 1 0 leaves me with 1 0.